Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the Show Similar Products feature in the Pinterest app. This option helps Pinterest recommend more accurate product suggestions based on your activity and preferences. If you want to improve your shopping experience on Pinterest, keep watching. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Tap your profile picture at the top corner of the screen. From the menu, scroll down and select Social Permissions. Inside this section, look for Show Similar Products. Now, turn the switch on. That's it. Pinterest will now start recommending more similar products based on what you view and engage with. You don't need to restart the app or confirm. Changes take effect immediately. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more useful tutorials to make the most of your favorite apps.